Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your 2024 Mercedes GLE? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2024 Mercedes GLE protects and distributes power to essential systems, including the engine control unit, starter, coolant and fan relays, ABS modules, and hybrid components, by interrupting circuits when current exceeds safe levels. Cargo compartment fuse box, right-hand side. The cargo compartment fuse box on the right-hand side of the 2024 Mercedes GLE protects and distributes power to rear systems, such as trailer hitch, rear lighting, heated seats, anti-theft modules, and tailgate motor, by interrupting circuits during overloads.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.